So I wanted to surprise myself for my birthday. I don't know how you do that, but anyway, I wanted to treat myself for my birthday. Let's say that. That sounds better. Okay. So we all know Pegasus. There she is. We've got a very neat set of wheels for her. But they're all chrome. This ain't 1959. Chrome's got to go. So, we're going to drop them off at my friend Ivan's. First, we got to get the tires dismounted, so we're going to go see Alex and Ben. And then after Alex and Ben, then we're going to go see Ivan in Kissimmee. He's going to powder coat the cinders of those things black. Then they'll go on the car.
I've been around cool cars since the day I was born. I was taken home from the hospital in my mother's Rolls Royce, and my father owned a classic and collectible car dealership for 9 years before I was born. Motivated Carnage is all about car life. Life around cars, the adventures we go on in cars, the ups of scoring a trophy or faster lap time, and the downs of yet another breakdown. Of course, none of this would be possible without my service dog and co-host, Enzo. So we ask you, what motivates you? And what gets your motor running? So before we kick this thing off, this is what the car looked like before. It's just a set of factory wheels, F430 wheels, nothing crazy special. And this is outside of Orlando Magic Stadium in downtown Orlando for the Make-A-Wish Foundation. Some of the kids with disabilities, things like that, get to come out and sit in the cars. This made the event very special to me personally because I figured, I'm keeping the passion alive with the brand and the cars. Plus, I look at it like we're making a wish come true. Make-A-Wish Foundation, make a wish come true. Shout out to Ivan, here's his business information, and let's get into this. After disassembling the wheels, the first stage is to sandblast, remove any imperfections as far as, paint, primers, anything like that. That's called sandblasting, and that's what you're seeing here. He's removing the paint from, obviously, not my wheels. Here's the wheels taken apart and stripped down to just bare metal. You can see they're in pretty decent shape. We did run into an issue, though. He found that one of the spokes had a crack, almost like from manufacturing. There, you can see the crack. So naturally, this is what I said. Fix it.
Because, if you're going to do it, you got to do it right.
Next is the laying of the color onto, this is a motorcycle wheel they did in black. Here the process is a little boring. It goes in the oven, they bake it. Blah, blah, blah. But here's some pictures of the wheels on the car they came off of before I obtained them, a Ferrari 360. Here's the hardware. And finally, here's Too Low Tony installing them on the car. You know what? Let's just go ahead and just jump straight to the reveal. What do you think?
No, 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 no.
Oh, that's better. Woo. I thought I turned my car into a Fiero there for a second. All right, so here's the real reveal of the wheel. Special thanks to Tim over at Delta Photography. These pictures were taken by him at the Ocala Festivals of Speed. Also, a special shout out to my friend Ivan, Ben, and Alex. Without you guys, I couldn't have made this possible. And of course, Too Low Tony, you're always there for me, buddy. You're one of my besties, for real. But definitely stop calling my show on YouTube the Dog and Pony Show. Brother, come on. I know, it's hilarious. But you're killing me, dude.
Anyways, all right, see you soon.